10 truths about affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Del Edwards, and today I'm just going to share a few things with you. If you stick around till the end, I have something for you. Number one, it's simple, meaning it's not complicated, but it's not easy. Easy implies that it requires little effort, and that's absolutely not true. It requires work. If you don't show up for work at your regular day job, you don't get paid. If you don't show up for work when you work from home, you don't get paid. Number three, it takes time and patience. A lot of people think this is like a get rich quick thing. It absolutely is not. If you're looking for get rich quick, this is not for you. Affiliate marketing is not for you. All right. Don't believe the hype. You're going to probably run across lots of gurus, people who are promoting their one simple trick that if you follow their program, you're going to be able to get, your business up and running in 24 hours. Some people claim you can get a page built in 10 minutes and you can start making money. And hype is hype. Don't believe the hype. The reality is that whether or not you choose to use paid tools or free tools, the fact is that whatever tools you use, you're going to have to learn how to use the tools. And so, the person who already knows how to use the tools might be able to get a website built in 10 minutes. But if you're new to this program and you've never used their platform before or their software before, it's likely not going to take you just 10 minutes to get started. It's also important to read the fine print. Integrity is lacking in all parts of the industry, and there are people with integrity and there are people without. And so what you want to do is make sure that what you're promised matches what you see in the fine print. There are cases where people will say, okay, you get this, just do these four little steps and you'll be able to get your business up and running, and it's only going to cost you $1,000 to use my program, or $2,000 or $3,000 to use my program. It's a done for you program. You just plug in, get these 4 steps done, and then you will be in business. And we give you a 100% money back guarantee. And then when you go to read the fine print for the money back guarantee, they said 4 steps, but the fine print says in order to get your money back, you need to do 15 steps, 5 backflips, and skydive, and then we'll give you your money back. And so you want to make sure that the fine print is matching what your expectation is. If it doesn't match, don't spend your money, because it likely means that you are not going to be getting it all together with these 4 steps that they hype you with on the front end of the deal. The fact is, you can start an affiliate marketing business with absolutely no money. That's not hype, that's just reality. There are tools, like I said before, that are paid for tools, and there are tools that are excellent tools that are free. A lot of the free tools do have paid options. But for someone who's on a budget, who only has internet access and a laptop, you can use free tools to start your marketing business. Absolutely. Now, I talked about, taking time to learn how to do something that is simple but not easy. Rubik's Cube is a fine example. When I started this, playing with this thing when I was a kid, it would take me maybe the first time 2 or 3 weeks to try to figure it out. But when all was said and done, I could get a Rubik's Cube solved in less than 3 minutes every single time. And so the more you practice something, the more you do something, the easier it becomes over time. And you get to become the expert. That person who said you could build a website in 10 minutes really probably could, because they've done it many, many times. They've spent thousands of hours on that platform. And so it's easy for them at this point. It requires little effort for them. But because you're new to any platform, it will take you time to learn how to use the platform. You've got to pick a specific method of affiliate marketing that you want to get laser focused on so that you can learn the tools that you need to use and focus on using those tools so that you can become an expert at it and so that it eventually does become easy for you. Now, I really believe that the key to a successful affiliate marketing business is helping others. When you're able to match a problem with a solution for someone, then that's a win-win solution. You have found the solution for them, and they pay to have that solution addressed, and you get the benefit from it financially, and they get the benefit from having their problem solved. That's a win-win situation. It's better than just, grabbing some kind of, product that you want to sell and blasting it out to everybody on the planet. Everybody on the planet doesn't want that product. So being able to do affiliate marketing where you're able to find the people who you can serve is key to generating a sizable income in business. You have to believe that you can do it. Whatever you conceive, if you believe, you can achieve. I've always loved that little saying. But the reality is, before cars existed, someone had to imagine it, think about it, believe that it could be possible, and then create it. Same with computers and the internet. Somebody had to imagine this, believe that it could be possible, and then create it. And so you have to believe that you are able to do affiliate marketing if that's what you want to do to be able to generate an additional source of income, or if you want to have it become your primary source of income. You've got to believe it. And then, last but not least, you have to take action. Nothing happens if you don't take action. You've got to start. One of the sayings that resonates with me is perfection is the enemy of progress. And it's true. You can end up trying to make something so perfect before you take action that you just never end up getting started. So I promised that I would give you something at the end of this video to help you get started right now. There is a fabulous new sales page and funnel building platform that is exactly what any affiliate marketer would need. And it is absolutely 100% free. No credit cards ever, no fees ever. It's just free. There's no hype. It's an awesome program. It has quickly become one of the leading platforms in the world at this point. And it will soon become number one if it hasn't already by the time you're watching this video. So go ahead and click the link below to get your free funnel page and funnel building platform and start learning how to use that tool so that you can incorporate it into your affiliate marketing business. Now, it's a tool that can be used by beginners. It is a tool that can be used by professional affiliate marketers. But if you are a professional, you're probably not on this video. You're more likely somebody who's looking to understand what affiliate marketing is and trying to sort of get into the business. If you want to be able to watch me go through the process of showing you how to generate income online using free tools, completely free, go ahead and like this video. Leave a comment under the video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get updated when I post new videos. Also, you can check me out on Facebook and join my Facebook group. It's called Real Freedom Network because I'm all about helping people create real freedom. So until next time.